stay tuned because I'm gonna show you how to make these DIY LED tube lights. All right, so I wanted some tube lights. I was in Flint, Michigan. Was gonna do a video for an artist called Ace Cabana, which is signed to John Connor. John Connor was once signed to Dr. Dre, but now he's on his own, doing his own thing. And I was shooting some videos for his artist, Ace Cabana. So I wanted some tube lights, but I didn't have any tube lights. All right, let me start at the beginning. You want to get some LED light strips. Now, I bought my LED light strips. I bought these LED light strips because I had no other choice at Home Depot. Again, this was last minute trying to shoot for a music video. I bought them at Home Depot. The Home Depot, it was like $20. So I bought them. You take them out. All right, they come with a remote, and you have your LED strip and your connector. Now this I bought at actually 5 and below. I didn't use these. You can use these. The only thing I do like about these at 5 and below is if they got this, these have a USB connection, so you could actually power this with a USB adapter and it'd be portable, which is mad dope. But the reason why I didn't use these is because the lights are very separated from each other. You know what I'm saying? The lights are real separated from each other. Like we got one here, you got one here, you got one here, you got one here. And that doesn't look good on LED strip lights. You're gonna see the bulbs in between the lights. It's gonna be bad. The kind of LED strips, and I'll post some, but the kind of LED strips you want is the LED strips that are very close, more close together, so they become more unified. But I'm just showing you as an example with this. Now, this is the tube light. I gutted out the inside. I actually left the inside the way it is, and there's a little tray there. There's a little, like a line in the inside of the tube. All right, so you just take this. You can actually pull out the tray that's in here. You can pull it out. When you open this up, open these up, pull out the cap, and inside you're gonna be able to pull out a whole tray. And then these have glue at the end of it, all right? So you take that, you glue that on the tray. It's gonna be it's gonna be like a little piece of steel. You're gonna glue it on there. Either way you wanna do it, this is your concept. I had to come up with the way I did it. You might come up with a different way, but this is the concept of what it is. And then I took that and I slid it all the way in through, all right? So you got this now going through the whole, you got, not this one, but you got your LED strip going through the whole thing inside, and it's sturdy, it's caught, it's there, okay? All right, so once you put the LED strip inside of the tubing, you get some parchment paper. This is just parchment paper right here. And you surround, like go like 2 or 3 times around it real good. You know what I mean? Tape it down. Parchment paper. Now, this here, you can buy these at Home Depot. They're just gels. This inside of it, again, it's just parchment paper. It's just a transparent gel that holds these lights, all right? You stick it in there. Now, at the end of this though, is the connection. Now, this is the connection that came with the one I bought in Home Depot. And it's just a connect. You just connect it right at the end of the LED strip. You just connect it right to the end of the LED strip, all right? I put some duct tape there to hold it better. You take all of this, and just stick it together. Just put it in. All right. Comes with caps. The caps already come to fit. So that's it. You got an LED tube light to do everything you need it to do. You know what I mean? They work great. You can make it even better. You can, once you do that, if you want to make it look better, you can paint it white. You can paint it white, but with like a light diffused paint. Or just leave it the way it is, because truthfully, nobody notices. They don't look good always when you look at them like this, because you see some of the paper crinkle because you're up close and personal looking at it. But pretty much, man, you know, it's an LED tube light. Now, if you want to get fancier, you can buy a specific, it's all based off the LEDs you purchase. That's all it is. It's based off the LEDs you purchase. If you purchase, there's LEDs that do way more stuff. There's LED strips that play music, and if you play your music, it'll beat to the music. There's LEDs that got more effects and flash, more effects on them. I just bought a basic regular one because I needed something basic. All right, so I went online so I can link up the tube lights. Couldn't find them. I bought these tube lights about 4 or 5 years ago at Home Depot for like $12 a piece. But I kept searching harder, finally found them, and then I found the cheapest one. The cheapest one I could find them for was like $22. So they don't went up in price in the years. So it's still cheap though, considering what you're about to make. So the cheapest I found this was about $22 for the actual tube. Now the LED RGB strips, that's all based on you. You can go cheap or you can go expensive. Expensive, you're looking at about maybe almost $50 for some real good smart LED RGB strip lights that have apps for your phone and all of that, you know. Or you can go cheap as $20. You know, at Home Depot they got them for $20 or anywhere. But what I'm saying is it's up to you. But at the end of the day, I'm just giving you the concept. You could take what I do and just remix it all day long and do whatever you want to do with it. You know what I mean? But these are great for music videos. You know what I'm saying? They're not key lights. Don't even try to use them as key lights, man. They're just accent lights, background lights, you know, them type of lights. I got a train that's like right next to me, yo. But anyway, we're gonna keep it moving. So, you know, these are great lights. They work well and they bring your production value up, you know, so you're gonna definitely want them. So like always, if you haven't subscribed, come on, man, hit that button. You know what I mean? I got a lot more to show, a lot more to do, and I appreciate you. All right, and like I always say, it is what it is. Later.